Today we're going to be changing the filter out in this Culligan whole house water filtration system. Now before we get started, got to make sure you got all your materials. We got our water filter. This is a charcoal style water filter. I'm a big fan of these. Not only do they filter the water, they also remove taste, well, unusual taste in the water. We're going to need the water filter wrench. It's going to come with your unit. And then we're also going to need a bucket. So let's get started. We're going to put the bucket underneath our water filter. All right, we're going to turn the knob on the top from filter to bypass. This thing is really going to fight me. There we go. All right. If you look on the front here, it's going to say bypass. Now we're going to remove any pressure in the system. So we're just going to keep pushing the top until we don't have any more water coming out. Grab your filter wrench. We're going to turn counterclockwise. Very slowly. Alright, now that we got it loose, let's take it off by hand. This is where the bucket's going to come in handy. Let's go ahead and dump that water into the bucket. Alright, now that we got it out, you got a bunch of gunk inside there, so let's go ahead and grab a rag. Wipe that out. Much better. Alright, now that we got our canister all cleaned out, we got our water filter. Now you got to make sure that the gaskets are on the bottom and the top. Now these don't matter if goes in either way. There's no top or bottom to the actual filter itself. Just make sure it's all the way in there. Both the gaskets are on and the O-ring's on there as well. Make sure that O-ring's clean. So we're just going to go and take that. Make sure she's fit on there. And screw it back on again. Hand tight. Grab our wrench. Snug her down. Now we're going to slowly open the valve. We're going to see some water rushing in. So we just want to make sure that we fill it up. We're going to be checking for leaks. So we're going to be checking around the gasket, make sure we don't have any water coming out. Looking pretty good. So what we're going to do is we're going to open the valve completely to filter. All right, now that we got the filter changed out, let's go ahead and just run the water for a minute or two. You might get a little bit of discoloration, but that will clear up in a couple seconds. Now that we've flushed out the system, everything is done. Now, just a little side note, I do recommend keeping the wrench by the actual water filter itself. That's going to help you for next time. The last thing you want to do is put it in a drawer somewhere and you can't find it, because it's very hard to get these canisters off without it. All right, I hope this helped. Thanks. Bye.